Hello student, today we are going to start poem Cookies for Santa. Okay, now let's start the poem Cookies for Santa. But student, before reading this poem, let's have some warm up here. First we have to complete this warm up. Here are a few good and not so good food choices. Choose a whole wheat sandwich instead of white bread sandwich. Eat with veggies. Student, when you want to eat sandwich, you go for brown bread, and within brown bread, what can you stuff? You can stuff with lots of vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, onion, cucumber, peas, etc. Now, in this way, you can make your sandwich very healthy. Okay? Choose whole fruit instead of its juice. And when you eat fruit, eat whole fruit. Don't go for its juice because drinking juice is not good at all. But whole fruit is good for health. Now, if you are feeling very hungry, so eat lots of salad because salad is a good for health. Have fruits instead of sweets. If you are feeling hungry, have lots of fruit instead of sweets. Now let's start the reading poem. Now read a poem about a boy who had baked a dozen cookies for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. This is the poem of a boy who has baked a dozen cookies for Santa Claus. What is the means of dozen? Dozen means 12. I baked a dozen cookies and I put them on a plate and I set them out for Santa Claus, except for one I ate. What boy is saying? Boy is saying he has baked a dozen cookies and put them on a plate. Now, what he do out of those 12 cookies? First, he had baked a dozen cookies and that cookies he had set on a plate for Santa Claus, and except for one I ate. Okay, now what's he do out of those 12 cookies? He ate one cookies. Means now only 11 cookies are left on a plate. That cookie was amazing. How was that cookie? That was amazing. And I couldn't quite resist. What is the meaning of resist? Resist means not able to stop oneself from doing something. That cookie was very amazing. That is the reason he couldn't stop themselves and he was not able to stop himself doing something. So what he has done? I ate another one. So he ate another one cookies. That I was sure would not be missed. Okay, because that cookie was very amazing. That is the reason he couldn't stop himself. I knew I wouldn't matter. And what he think? He think I knew it wouldn't matter if I only ate one more. Now he was thought that it doesn't matter if I ate one more cookie. Then I gobbled up another one. Then what he has done? He has gobbled up another one. Means he had just ate one more cookies. Okay, gobbled means ate quickly. Why not? That's only 4. Okay. Now after eating those cookies, what happened? Only 4 cookies were left on the plate. Now see what the boy done after this. I accidentally dropped another couple on the ground. Accidentally means something done by mistake. So he accidentally dropped another couple on the ground. Okay, so by mistake he dropped a couple of cookies on the ground. Couple means 2 cookies. So he dropped 2 cookies on the ground and he thought, I know Santa wouldn't want them. And he thought, now cookies were I had fallen down, so Santa wouldn't want to eat them. So I swiftly scraped them down. So I quickly ate them, just eat them. Okay, what is the meaning of scrapped? Scrapped means ate a club down. Now turn the page. Another couple disappeared. I may have eaten those, though I couldn't say for certain, but I guess that's how it goes. Now another couple disappeared. Disappeared means the things which you can no longer see. So already he had eaten 6 cookies. Now 2 more cookies were disappeared. How he said, I might have eaten those. I have not sure about, but I might have eaten those cookies. I figured 4 was likely more than Santa Claus wouldn't need. Now he thought that only 4 cookies were left. I don't think Santa wouldn't like eat 4 cookies. So I polished off. Polished off means he finished eating all the cookies with unexpected speed. Polished off means finishing eating. Before I knew what happened, all the damage had done, and I realized I wouldn't accidentally eaten everyone. Now he say that before I knew what happened, all the damage has done, I realized it wouldn't have by accidentally that I have eaten everyone. I guess it's best since Santa sort of need to watch his weight when he visit us this Christmas. I sure hope he likes the plate. Now, in the end, what's happened? All the cookies are finished. So he thought that as its Santa is fat, he should watch his weight. Means he should not eat such things that make him more fat. So in the end, now he is left no more cookies. So he is thinking that Santa will be happy with this empty plate. Okay, student, now this poem is over. So student, I hope you all have understood this poem. So once you all have to revise this poem at your home. Thank you.